If you've been trying to create AI talking head videos, you already know the biggest problem. The lip sync is always slightly off. The mouth moves, but it doesn't match the audio, and once a viewer notices it, they're gone. I tested basically every method out there, and I finally found the one workflow that gets it right every single time.
Perfect lip sync avatars are a game changer for social media. They keep your audience locked in, build trust fast, and let you scale content without ever showing your face.
By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to take any portrait image and turn it into a talking head video where the mouth movement looks filmed and not generated. And I'm going to show you how to do it for both AI avatars and AI influencers, all inside one tool. The tool we're using today is called Lipsync.video. Open your browser and search for AI Avatar Lipsync Video, or click the link I left in the description below. Look for this option that says Lipsync Online Free AI Lipsync Video and open it. Go ahead and sign in with your Google account. It's fast and simple, and you also get free credits when you log in daily for the first 7 days. This platform handles everything in one place: image generation, video generation, and talking videos with accurate lip sync. Before creating your talking avatar, you need to first create an image. Click on the AI image option from the left sidebar and select AI Character Generator. Under Models, you'll see the latest generation options, but select Nano Banana for its outstanding image quality. This is currently one of the strongest models for photorealistic portrait generation, and for lip sync specifically, you want a clean, sharp face with good detail. The more clearly defined the facial features are, the better the sync model can read and animate them. In the prompt box, describe the kind of image you want to create. For better results, include details like camera angle, age, ethnicity, skin tone, hair, eyes, and camera specifications. Add tags like studio lighting, photorealistic, and 8K for the most realistic results. If you already have your avatar, you can upload a reference photo for an identical look, but this is optional. You can also generate your character in different styles like Ghibli, cartoon, or 3D, but I'll leave it on default for a photorealistic result. For the aspect ratio, choose 16:9 if you want your avatar for faceless YouTube content and hit Generate. What I like about this tool is that you don't have to join a waitlist. In under 20 seconds, your image is ready. The quality is high, the outfit is professional, and most importantly, the facial details look realistic. This is the kind of image you'd actually use for your faceless content, not the plastic, fake-looking avatars that make viewers swipe away immediately. Now it's time to bring this avatar to life. Click on the AI Avatar section and select the AI Avatar Generator. We'll use Seedance 2 for its accurate physics, fluid motion, and native audio output. Upload the avatar you just generated, then paste a short prompt describing how you want your character to behave and what to say. Choose 16:9 as the aspect ratio, make sure audio is turned on, and for the duration, I'll select 10 seconds based on the dialogue length, then generate. Generation takes less than a minute, unlike other tools where you wait for hours.
Perfect lip sync avatars are a game changer for social media. They keep your audience locked in, build trust fast, and let you scale content without ever showing your face.
The result speaks for itself. The body movement is natural, the muscles move according to the dialogue, and the lip sync is perfect. This is the kind of avatar that keeps viewers watching until the end, because it builds trust and actually connects with them. Most AI talking heads look fake. The lips drift, the emotion is off, and it ruins the entire video. But when you use a model that was purpose-built for this task, the difference in output quality is genuinely noticeable. There's no drift, no lag, and no moment where the audio and visual feel like they're running on separate tracks. If you want to go a step further and create a realistic AI influencer to run your social media or sell your products, this platform makes it possible. Return to the AI image section and follow the same steps as before to create your influencer image first. Paste your prompt, and this time choose 9:16 as the aspect ratio, which is perfect for TikTok and Instagram, then generate. Just like that, your influencer is ready with clean, realistic details and ready to go. To create the video, click on AI Avatar, and this time choose AI Human Generator. Select Seedance 2 as your video generation model and upload the image. Since your influencer should be interactive and not static, in your prompt, describe how she should move, interact with the surroundings, and include dialogue. Choose 9:16 as the aspect ratio, turn on audio, set your duration to match the dialogue length, and generate. The video that comes back is exactly what you want.
Every single morning before I jog, I drink a full bottle of water. It wakes up your metabolism, flushes out toxins, and honestly just sets the tone for the whole day.
She walks forward naturally as she speaks with perfect lip sync. The full body movement looks great. You can see people passing in the background, and the water bottle sways naturally in her hand as she talks directly to the camera. With a workflow like this, you can run an entire social media account or sell products while you sleep. There's a lot more inside this platform. You can create AI stand-up comedy videos, AI baby podcast content, lip sync your videos using your own cloned voice, generate cinematic videos with the most powerful models including Cadence 2, Kling 3, Gemini, Omni, and more, and generate images all in one place. I've left the link in the description below, so go and try it today. If this workflow helped you, hit the like button, share it with a friend who's building faceless content, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you're the first to know when I drop new videos.